If you're looking for an awesome product at a great price, be sure to check out the link in the description. The government has confirmed Marianne Stephenson as the new chair of the Equality and Human Rights Commission, EHRC, overriding objections raised by a parliamentary committee regarding her suitability for the role. Stephenson, currently chair of the Women's Budget Group, is set to assume her duties in December. This appointment places her at the helm of an organization with a significant responsibility, including the crucial task of implementing guidance related to transgender rights, following a Supreme Court ruling on the definition of a woman. The news comes amidst a backdrop of controversy, as both the Women and Equalities Committee, along with the Joint Committee on Human Rights, had jointly voiced their reservations about the appointment. They contended that Stephenson's experience, particularly in areas concerning protected characteristics such as race and disability, was insufficient for the position. The committees, led by Sarah Owen and David Alton, had communicated their concerns to the Equalities Minister, Bridget Phillipson, acknowledging Stephenson's academic achievements in the field of women's rights, but ultimately expressing their inability to endorse her appointment due to concerns about leadership, breadth of expertise across the EHRC's broad remit, and the need to rebuild public trust. This decision comes at a time when debates around transgender safety are particularly sensitive. Stephenson was announced as the UK government's preferred candidate back in June and subsequently provided testimony before the committees in July. Following her appointment, Stephenson expressed her honor and excitement, stating that she looks forward to bringing her insights and experience to lead the EHRC with compassion, honesty, and dedication, emphasizing her commitment to upholding equality and human rights alongside her new colleagues. The EHRC is currently working on an updated code of practice to guide public bodies on how to address the April court decision that defined woman in the Equality Act as referring exclusively to biological women. This guidance aims to clarify how organizations can provide single-sex and gender-neutral spaces, such as restrooms and changing rooms. Earlier in the year, the EHRC issued preliminary, non-statutory advice interpreting the ruling, which suggested that transgender individuals should not be permitted to use facilities corresponding to their lived gender. This particular guidance has sparked legal challenges, including a judicial review initiated by the Good Law Project and other groups, further complicating the landscape surrounding this critical area of human rights. Stephenson is set to replace Kishore Faulkner in the chair role. The EHRC's forthcoming guidance will attempt to navigate a path for how organizations can provide single-sex and gender-neutral spaces, further shaping the operational landscape of public spaces. The appointment and its context represent a significant moment in the ongoing discourse around equality and human rights, and its long-term impact is yet to be fully realized.